Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how you write equations in your Google Slides presentation. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Google Slides website and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you can go ahead and create your Google Slides presentation. As you can see, I have already created a presentation right here, and here I have some slides with some info on them. So guys, let's say that I want to enter an equation into one of these slides that I want to type out. You cannot type this out normally on a keyboard, so I'm going to be showing you how you can use a program to do this for you. So yeah guys, it's very easy. The first thing you want to do guys is go right here in the upper corner where it says extensions. You want to go ahead and click on extensions guys, and now this will open up this new drop down menu where you can either get new add-ons or see your current add-ons. What you want to do guys is go ahead and put your mouse on add-ons and then go ahead and click on get add-ons. Click on get add-ons guys. Now this will open up this new app where you can see all the add-ons that you can add to your Google Slides. So guys, what we want to search for is math type. You want to search for this add-on right here, as this will enable you to type equations in your Google Slides presentation. So guys, go ahead and click on math type right here, and here you will have the blue button, the option to click on install. As you can see, I have already installed the add-on, so I can only uninstall it, but you can go ahead and click on install and it will automatically add the add-on to your Google Slides presentation. So guys, after installing it, you want to go ahead and close this page, and now you want to go back to the extensions page. And now guys, you can see math type will appear right here under your extensions right here. Here you have two options, to either open math type or open chem type. You want to go ahead and click open math type. So guys, after clicking open math type, now you can look at the right side of the screen that this will open up the math type add-on for you. So as you can see, you have some options, and we're going to go ahead and click this option right here called open math type. So go ahead guys and click on that. And now guys, you will see this will open up the new add-on right here, and you can go ahead and start writing your equation. So let's say we want to write a fraction equation. We're going to head and type in the numbers that we want. You can type in the numbers right here. Let's say 8 times 8 across 7. So guys, this is the equation that we want to add to our Google Slides presentation. After you have finished guys with writing your equation, all you have to do is click this button right here called insert. Go ahead guys and click on insert, and now guys, you will see that this equation will be added to our Google Slides presentation. And as you can see here guys, we have successfully added the equation to our Google Slides presentation. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.